Today we are going to weld thin square tube on stick weld. If you welding like this on thin metals, then you face your job like this, so don't do this. This is the right and safe way for thin metal welding. We use 6013 mm electrode. Now start the weld and watch carefully, mostly new welder or want learn welding now. Clean the welding spot on wire brush. This is the flat side of our job. You look to my rod and its position how I'm welded. Thin metals and iron welding is so difficult as compared to thick metals. Every welder should know this. Now our other side of job weld is done successfully. I hope new welders learn it. A load of this skill. Now we are going to vertical side. Strike and back is best. Note the welding rod position. Clean it on wire brush. After finishing the weld, grinding your welding sides and make them smooth for looking better and beautiful. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.